Good day, grade 5. Today, we are going to talk about the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of the Philippines. So prepare your notebook and pen for you to take notes because you will be needing your notes in taking the quiz later. Let's start by identifying the different art elements and principles that you may use in painting the Philippine World Heritage Sites that we are going to learn today. One element of art that you can use are lines. Straight lines like horizontal, diagonal, vertical, and curved lines, or organic lines such as these. Another element of art that you may apply is color. You may also use the complementary colors we have discussed from our previous lesson about the elements of art. Again, complementary colors are two colors that are on the opposite side of the color wheel. An example of colors that are complementary are yellow and violet. Notice that they are in the opposite side of each other. Another is space, specifically the use of one-point perspective. To review about it, one-point perspective is a drawing method that shows how things appear to get smaller as they get further away, converging towards a single vanishing point on the horizon line. It is a way of drawing objects upon a flat piece of paper so that they look three-dimensional and realistic. An art principle that you may apply is harmony. Again, harmony refers to how well all the visual elements work together in your artwork. We now move on to our discussion about the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the Philippines. World Heritage is the designation for places on Earth that are of outstanding universal value to humanity, and as such have been inscribed on the World Heritage List to be protected for future generations to appreciate and enjoy. There are several places in the Philippines that have been listed as a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO, and we are going to discuss three of them. One is the rice terraces in Ifugao Cordillera. The rice terraces cover a vast and extensive area. The most intact and impressive clusters, however, are found in the municipalities of Banawe, Kiangan, Mayoyao, and Humuan. Built over 1,000 years ago, the long-established farming technique is still practiced and appreciated to the present. The rice terraces of the Cordilleras are living cultural landscapes devoted to the production of one of the world's most important staple crops, which is rice. Here is a sample artwork of the rice terraces. Another is the historic Vigan City. Located at the river delta of Abra River along the northwestern coastline of the mainland of Luzon, Vigan was the third most important city during the Spanish colonial era in the 18th and 19th century. The best preserved example of planned Spanish colonial town, which was inscribed on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 1999, covers a total area of 17.25 hectares. Its architecture, cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carriage, and rustic mansions reflect a rich Spanish influence that has no parallel in East and Southeast Asia. Here's a sample artwork of the historic Vigan City. Last but not the least is Mount Hambigitan, which is a home to approximately 1,380 threatened and endemic species of flora and fauna. There are sightings of rare animals such as the Philippine eagle, flying fox, tarsier, and the civet cat, among others. With an elevation range of 1,630 meters above sea level, the mountain and its vicinity has one of the most diverse wildlife population in the country. It was inscribed in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 2014 for it represents a complete, substantially intact, and highly diverse mountain ecosystem. And here is a sample of an artwork for Mount Hambigitan. That's it for today's discussion. On our sync day, these are the materials that you are going to need. You may rewatch this video in case you missed on taking down notes of some details. And once ready, click the Take Quiz button below.